never sweet when somebody loves you, the goodness he loves you all the way through the good old years and for all those in between years. Come one day. Say, if you let me love you, for sure I'm gonna love you all the way, all the way.
Taller than the tallest trees, that's how it's got to be.
Deeper than the deep blue sea is, that's how deep it goes in between. When someone loves you, there's no girl less loves you all the way. Then through the good old years and for all those in between, one may, who knows where the road will lead us? Only a fool could say, if you let me love you.
For sure I'm gonna love you
All the way,
all the way.
I'm gonna love you all the
Okay, thank you very much. Once again, a round of applause, please. Okay. Thank you. Excited na ba ang ating mga semi-finalists? Eto na tayo. Nasaan na sila? Basta this is all for Ate B. Kasi ito yung... We shall now announce. Are we ready with the names of the 5 finalists? Kagandahan mga Miss Universe 1981, 82, 85, 87, and 93. Lahat po sila ay mga past winners, kaya sila po ang ating mga judges. Maganda. Okay, I have here the list of the top 5 finalists. As I call your number, please come in front. Choose your question for the question and answer. Okay, we shall start with candidate number 12. Number 12.
Parang ka naman araw.
Please welcome our top 5 finalists, beginning with number 12. Okay. Tawagin na lang muna lang. Okay. Next candidate, please come in front. Number 36. Number 30. Cover. Next. Let me call on candidate number 25. Number 25. but certainly not the least, number 45. 45. So, ladies and gentlemen, our top 5 finalists. So get ready with the question and answer. Cyrene? Okay, for the first question and answer, may I call on number 12? Please come in front. Okay, please choose your question. Do you need an interpreter? Okay, question.
Okay. Kung ang celebrant ay isang bansa, ano siya at bakit?
I need an interpreter.
Thank you for that question. I've been waiting for that question all my life. And I've rehearsed the answer for that question. Thank you very much. No, actually, if our birthday celebrator is a country, that's your question, wasn't it?
Yes.
So, maybe I would say she would be France. Because as you know, for this year we have the Miss Universe coming from France. And since she's also a member of the CWL, as well as the Confraternity of Our Lady of Lourdes, and Lourdes is in France, so she is France.
Very well said. Wow, meron na agad prize. Congratulations. Dito po siya, Maxine. Yes, dito muna po. Okay. Next contestant, please come in front. Number 36. Number 36. Please choose your question.
Tagalog na lang. Dumudugong ilong ko. Okay. Kung ang celebrant ay pagkain, ano siya at bakit?
Tapos na po kayo, Miss Faye. Number 12, tapos na po ang question ninyo. Si 36, si candidate 36 na po. Pag po napunta kayo sa top 3, baka po sakali.
Sa akin po, passion.
Kaya niyo po yan. Interpreter?
Lecture plan.
Yes. Bakit po?
Kapag kinakain mo lang, tumatamis.
Habang kumakain tumatang.
Wow! Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Next contestant, number 25. Wow! Meron pa siyang talent portion.
I need an interpreter lang.
Huwag lang po ibang dialect.
Ilocano na ako matapo.
Okay.
Sister Lucy, kayo po ang kailangan dito.
Okay. Kung nakapulot ka ng pera na nagkakahalaga ng 1 milyon, dami, di ba? 1 milyon. Saan mo gagamitin kasama ang celebrant at bakit?
Salamat po sa inyong napakagandang tanong. Ayan. Since ang ating celebrant ay marami po siyang tinutulungan may foundation siya na tinutulungan. So, kung makakapulot ako ng 1 milyon, 10% lang bibigay. 10% po ibibigay ko sa kanya, 90% no, joke. Yan, ibibigay ko po sa ating celebrant para po sa kanyang charity.
Wow!
Yun po. Salamat po.
Okay, thank you very much. Ang gagaling ng ating mga contestants. Okay, number 51.
Dapat pala may talent portion pa pala ito para ano, pinatisin natin ang totoong kung sino ang star of the night. Diba? Pick a question.
All of the above.
Do you need an interpreter? Yes! Okay, John Peter Paul. John Peter Paul. Yuri? Yuri? Where's baby Yuri? Baby Yuri! Interpreter! Okay. Sasagot ka. Tatanong mo to. Halika, baby. Ayaw niya. Okay. Hoy! Huwag na. Interpreter? Wait. Tagalog. Lahat Tagalog. Kung ang celebrant ay isa sa mga sangre ng Encantadia, sino siya at bakit?
Kapuso daw po siya, hindi siya, hindi ba, kapamilya po siya, hindi siya kapuso. Pamilya, next question, please.
Next question. Okay, next question.
Very crucial kasi itong tanong na ito. Kaya,
Dahil ang Encantadia ang paborito niya palabas. Yeah, Encantadia and Provinciano. Yeah. Pag commercial mo sa Encantadia, nililipat mo sa Provinciano. Ganun po. Next question. Do you need interpreter again? No need. Okay. Saan mo maihahalin tulad ang celebrant sa isang prutas at bakit? Wow. Mangga.
Dahil ang mangga, mahal ngayon. At masarap kainin, matamis, very nutritious, rich in vitamin C.
Rich in diabetes.
so, matamis.
Matamis. Okay.
Okay. Nutritious pa. Thank you very much po. Okay. Our next contestant, number 45. 45, your question. Parang marami po kayong fans.
Kung ang celebrant ay isang brand ng pabango, ano siya at bakit?
Brand siya ng kabangon, Clinic Happy. Kasi palagi siya masaya. Hindi ko nakikita sumimangon siya sa Maring Bing.
Yes!
Okay, thank you very much. Clinic Happy. Mabango din kasi. Mabango na. Happy palagi. Okay. So, that completes our question and answer. Nahihirapan ang ating mga jurors.
May 2 questions pa.
So,
Sige, pwede natin
but first of all, let me just thank our candidates. Thank you very much first. Thank you very much po. You may now go back to your seats.
Okay. Question.
So, tinatali na ang ating mga...
Pili ko tayo. Gusto niyo Okay po. Kung bibigyan ka ng lugar na pupuntahan ninyo ng celebrant, saan ito at bakit?
Sa birthday market. Kasi alam na alam ni Tita Bing ang kada sulok ng birthday market.
Number 81.
Iwan ka. Kasi nakagabahan ng blessings pag dumating siya.
Kabahan ang Anim na lalaki. Anim na lalaki sa dito. Anim. Mga lalaki po.
Welcome sa raffle. Madami pa po pag-asa niyo sa ating major raffle prize. So for this game, ang ating prize ay mini drone. Kung gusto manalo ng mini drone, please come in front.
Dito! Ito ay apple, banana, fruit salad, apple. Tutuwan po sila. Pag sinabi ko pong banana, liliyan po silang ganyan. Pag sinabi ko fruit salad, iikot po nila ang kanilang katawan. Okay? Dito, forward. Forward. Mabilisan po ito. Okay. Practice muna. Apple. Yan. Banana. Fruit salad. Apple. Banana. Fruit salad. Apple. Banana. Fruit salad. Okay, game na po ito ha? Game na po ito. Okay.